So I'm going to devote the rest of these videos to no more trauma. Like, we already know shit is fucked up, and the way things are set up, it's not to our advantage. So why talk about it? Let's figure out solutions, right? Not be problem oriented, but solutions oriented. So let's assume, I'll give you guys an example, and you guys could use this to correlate with your current side hustles, whatever it is that you're doing, right? No more dealing with side hustles, because side hustles will give you side hustle money, right? A lot of you guys have side hustles right now, and what you guys need to understand is your hustle is just giving you petty cash, but you're sacrificing hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table, right? I got a friend who he has a business, and he has an oyster bar. His oyster bar generates, on average, to request the oyster bar for a party, it's about $1,000 to request it, right? So let's assume that this oyster bar makes $1,000 per month at, let's say, $12,000 a year, right? That's cash money in his pocket, okay, minus the expenses. But let's just say, for even sake, it's $12,000, right? After all of his expenses and everything like that, let's assume that he's got $10,000 in profit, right? What he needs to do is incorporate. A lot of y'all are saying, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to pay taxes on my money, stuff like that. That's where you make the mistake. Being able to pay taxes and have that money going into a business account builds business credit. Business credit gets you access to larger amounts of capital. For example, if he were to incorporate, it doesn't matter, LLC, S Corp, whatever. If he were to incorporate and he goes and forms that company, what he can then do, after 1 year of tax returns, he can file under the SBA's 8A program, which gives him a minority business owner certification, right? He can then qualify for the 7A program, which gives him access to $250,000, which is guaranteed by the federal government. It's not the bank's money. The bank won't tell you guys that because they don't want to lend it to you. So you need to file taxes in order to be able to get your $250,000, which is guaranteed to you. Then you could take that money, use it into your business, expand, throw it into real estate if you want, do whatever you want with it. But that money is sitting there for you. You need to come and get it. So this is the reason why you incorporate and you file taxes instead of just having a side hustle.